All right, so when I got back from Biloxi, I felt like crap for about a week. I don't know what it was, but I had no energy, lethargic, just not feeling myself at all. And I think it has to do with allergies, but I'm not sure. But I got some Flonase and sleeping and feeling a little bit better. Got a full day's work in yesterday. One quick thing before we go down the patio. So I got this little lacrosse technology mini weather station. It shows wind speed and indoor outdoor temperature and blah blah blah. Um, Nothing fancy, but damn, it works good. I got the whirlybird out there in the corner, and as you remember, I got this sliding glass door in here, and that's all so I can get out here to the pool in the summertime and relax. I just set this up yesterday. I have had 8-foot inflatable, had a 10-foot inflatable out here one year, and this one seems to be really good when it comes to not having to blow it up and cats poking holes in it and losing air and blah blah blah. This thing is solid. I mean, it literally only took maybe 20 minutes to set it up. And what I like about this one, it has dual inlet for sucking in the water, and then it pumps out. This is a 1,000 gallon per hour pump and filter. Uses 90 watts, so about a kilowatt hour a day if you're going on a 12-hour cycle, which I have it hooked up to a timer right here. And I cut the GFCI off because this circuit is a GFCI circuit anyway, so it's protected. No use wearing 2 condoms. So I got that set for 12 hours of use while the sun is out. It's on my solar circuit. So this thing essentially runs on solar power. It's got the ionizer, whatever you call this thing right here. This makes a little bit of noise because it's sucking in air and oxygenating the pool water. Right now it's sitting at about 70 degrees maybe. So it's, and I've got a skimmer. This is an 8-footer, remember. Hot pink. The reason why I went with hot pink, because I want some damn color back here. Instead of green and, has some flowers and all that. And there's Coconut. She got a new sister. I got a new baby kitten, Carla, 7.5 weeks old. She may run out here and say hi in a second. Carla! Come here, Carla! Come here, there she is. Carla! Come here, Carla! Oh, what a sweetheart. Already bonded with her. She sleeps with me. Coco's doing pretty good with her. Coco's 17.5. And Carla here is 7.5 weeks old. But nothing like having a new kitten around the house. She just gets into everything. So I'll just show you the backyard here. My boy's resting right down there. Panel, everything's working great. There's a 9,000 watts of solar panels in this backyard. And right now I'm not running air conditioner units because I'm getting all new windows put in the house. And can't really install the air conditioning units, and it's not really even hot out yet. So it's just a waste of time and energy to do that. You don't need a lot of pool back here. I had a 10-footer. It's just too much space on the patio. That's all I need, for just me here. Shit, that'll do great. And it won't lose air. So things are coming up here. Got a whole bunch of these Indian paintbrushes. I put in some, I don't know what you call that, sweet potato vines. So they'll crawl up on there this year. I have no idea what that is there in the corner. It might be a sunflower. I just let it go. I really have no idea. I just put it up. Maybe it's rhubarb. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not worried about it. Needs mowed. I still have solar panels for sale back there. $25 a piece for the 100 waters. Got about 40 of them. So stop by and get them. There's a whirlybird for the weather station that I got. There you have it. You just walk right out here, get in the pool. Pretty happy. There's Carla. Carla. What a love. All right, there you have it. Have a good one.